One of my favorite ways to get the winning niches in print on demand is using Pinterest. Pinterest is very underrated when it comes to the print on demand space, and if you watch this video till the end, you will be able to find these winning niches yourself. Well, first you should download this free extension called Sort Pin. I will link it in the description. So once you install, it will show up in your Pinterest page automatically. It allows you to see how many saves the pin got, the reactions, the repins, the comments, and all the data that shows a successful pin. So what we're gonna do to find the niches is search for any generic niche you want. Let's say dog t-shirt. Then for each t-shirt with a high engagement rate, you check the competition on the print on demand website that you work on. For instance, let's see this niche, Pauma, that have decent saves, 56. So if I work with Redbubble, I will go and type in Pauma definition to check how many designs compete for this niche. And here you go, there is only 30 results. That's very low competition. Also on Amazon I found around 500 results, but the sales here are great considering it's an evergreen niche, like this one. Just look at this, 90,000 BSR and with over 120 reviews, and this one 800,000 BSR, 400,000 BSR. This niche sell very well compared to the results. By the way, this green extension that I use to see the BSR called Productor, you will find the link in description. Anyway, let's check out another niche, this one, Bulldog Dad Life is Rough, over 300 saves and 40 repins. That's good engagement. Let's check out Redbubble results by copying the exact niche, and just look at this, 15 results. Alright, let's see if a design actually have been sold by sorting this by bestsellers. And by the way, you can see only this design and this one and this other two, so around 4 designs that are actually with the exact niche, Bulldog Dad Life is Rough. The real competition is only 4, just imagine. Anyway, let's open this t-shirt to see if it's selling by clicking his shop, then in the shop itself sort by best selling. And indeed, this guy have over 400 designs and his top 5 bestseller is this niche. And for the favorites, let's see. Alright, he got 1000 favorites. That's also a good sign that he have decent sales. Let's try another generic niche, like for example nurse t-shirt, and do the same thing. Try to find niches that have a good engagements, like this one, coffee scrubs and rubber gloves, almost 200 saves and 100 repins, very good. Same thing, you should check the competition. Here I found 850 results, which is considered medium competition. Now when I find kind of a medium competition like this one, over 800 results, I like to check if there is organic traffic for this niche using Keyword Planner. Organic traffic basically is when people come through Google to buy a product. As you can see on SimilarWeb, 42% of Redbubble traffic come organically. Considering that Redbubble gets 24 million visitors a month lately, that's more than 10 million buyers who come only from Google. So I'm just gonna paste my niche here and click on get results. And as you can see, 100 to 1000 searches per month. That's around 10,000 people who searched for this niche every single year. And also you can see down here that up to 100 searches per month of people looking to buy a mug with this niche. And look at the results of Redbubble, none of them selected mug as default product, only stickers and t-shirts. To select the product, you just have to choose it down here before you publish your design. By the way, a full keyword planner tutorial to find niches will be in description. Watch it after you watch this video. Anyway, now I wanna check if people are actually selling in this niche. So simply sort by best selling like this. And I'm gonna open the first couple designs. Okay, and sort by best-selling again inside the shops this time. And as expected, our niche is the second bestseller in this shop. If we scroll down to the favorites, you can see 2000 favorites. The second shop, his top 5 bestseller, and he got 13,000 favorites, and also a fan artist badge. That's a good sign of good sales. Also the third shop, the niche is the second bestseller with over 1000 favorites. Now let's try another generic niche, like let's say grandpa shirt. And again, let's see something like this one, my favorite people call me grandpa. I searched it on Redbubble and found more than 1300 results. So the niches that have over 1000 results on Redbubble specifically, I don't recommend you to work on them if you don't upload at least 10 designs. Let's check out this next one, grandpa like a regular grandpa, only grandpier. This have a very huge amount of engagements, like 2000 saves and 1000 repins. That's a lot. Usually 100 saves are good for me, but 2000 is something. Anyway, I found only 100 results on Redbubble. Can you imagine? competition, and on Keyword Planner up to 100 searches per month. Like the demand is very much the same as the supply for month of course. Making 5 designs here with different styles will make you stand out here and potentially make sales. If we take Amazon though, the competition for this niche is kinda high, 1500, but so many designs are selling here in the other hand. Also, besides just looking for the evergreen niches, this strategy also works with holidays. Let's suppose I'm looking for Halloween design ideas. All I gotta do is swap out Grandpa with Halloween. And for the holidays especially, I like to look for the t-shirts that got recently uploaded. You can know that by looking at the dates here, like this was pinned only 1 month ago, this one also 1 month ago, this other one 3 months ago, and etc. Because filtering with the recent date like this will get you most of the time the new Halloween niche ideas of 2023. Rather than getting the old niches that are pretty much saturated. So for example, let's check out this design that have 300 saves. Ain't no hollaback a goal. In Redbubble, I found only 12 results and Amazon 100 results, and a lot are selling like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 designs that are selling out of 100, that's a 10% selling rate. Also on Keyword Planner there is a decent traffic, and of course there will be more sales and traffic when Halloween is near, like the last 10 days of a holiday is when the sales go crazy. But be careful of copyright and trademark. I didn't check this niche, so do your research before you design. Let's take a look at another design that was just posted, like this one here, 600 saves and 300 repins in just 1 month. That's very impressive. Alright, for the competition on Redbubble, I found only 80 results. That's insane because on Keyword Planner, customers are looking to buy a shirt in this niche up to 1000 searches. And this plus 9000% here means that this is getting trending. Which makes sense, of course, Halloween is coming. And I found a lot of designs that are pretty much the same. Try to not copy the exact graphics here to not get reported as a copycat design and be in the risk to lose your account. Let's check this design next. I ghost people all year round. Never seen this Halloween idea before. Let's see the competition. And alright, 69 results. What a funny number. Anyway, I found a good traffic as well coming organically and also plus 900% here. That's good. I also checked the copyright and trademark and found nothing. So considering you want to enter this niche and design for free, go ahead and use Photopea, the best Photoshop alternative. And for the graphics, free pick to get the graphics that you need. For the design, I'm thinking to make a design like this one, but instead of this font, this simple one, we're gonna use the Groovy font. And the same for the colors here, the black and white, we're gonna make them, for example, these colors would be good. Basically the same layout as this design, but with different graphics and fonts. Alright, I'm on free pick now and I'm gonna select vectors, then look for ghost. And I like this one right here looks very good. I'm gonna download it. I'm in Photopea now. The resolution that I use is 4500 by 5400. I'm just gonna drag the EPS file just like this and select the graphic that you wanna get, and we're gonna go to the group, which is this one, then copy it, Ctrl C, then go on Ctrl V like this, make it above the layers and scale it up like this. This is looking good. Now let's get this little stars right here. So I'm just gonna click on one of them and select the group like this. Same thing, we copy it, Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. And you can convert this to smart object so you can easily duplicate it. Like just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V and you will duplicate it like this. I also got this graphic from FreePic as well. This is it here. I just changed the colors here. So here I type, then I ghost people. To make it as the arc effect, just select the text and click warp. Then go on here and click arc. Then you can make it as you want. Let's just make it a bit smaller like this. Now just duplicate this text by dragging it down while holding Alt on the keyboard. Then type the rest of the text all year round and select the text again and click warp again, but this time make it was 23, let's make it minus 23, and this is good. Now I got this image with the groovy colors, so I can color the text just like this. I will select, for example, I, then click here and select color with every letter just like that. And again, I searched for groovy here to get some groovy graphics. I will download this bundle here and I will just keep dragging these graphics into my design and make sure to scale them up like this. Also, this is a Halloween design, so make sure to get some Halloween graphics. I will take this bundle here. And this is not a bad design. I also made this outline of this ghost blue, so this graphic suits the design more. So that was it for this video. Hope you like it, and watch this one next about the full tutorial about keyword planner so you can know exactly how to find some spicy niches. See ya!